Hello, students. I am Teacher Alex, and I'm going to be your online teacher. In class, we have been learning about animals. Now, look at this cow. Wow, look at that hair. We have also learned about tigers. We know that they've got 4 legs, they haven't got wings, they can run, but they can't fly. We have also learned about monkeys. We know that they've got long arms, they can swing, but they can't fly. Now, hey you, think about your favorite animal. And this is what you're gonna do. First, tell mom or dad. Then, draw a picture and describe it. Remember, they've got long arms, they haven't got a tail. And then, once you're ready, upload your work to our platform.